Believe it or not, you have had hundreds of system errors prevented, thousands of working hours reduced, and millions of dollars saved. Because someone else has been ahead of today. From system engineering, installation to maintenance, and excelling in everything you didn't foresee. Ahead of tomorrow. Helping you thrive in a rapidly changing business environment, not just in energy savings, but also by being environmentally sustainable. Ahead of its time. With an integrated and connected technology for a complete HVAC solutions and holistic systemization. Because you've had LG HVAC Solutions by your side, you can look forward to a future that's sustainable, not only for your business, but also for generations ahead. Ahead of the expected with LG HVAC Solutions.